happen on the joint. Okay, the problem with the shear structural failure. An MNE installation. All right. So if there are any MNE, so sometimes it can be inside the hollow core, but sometimes it might be outside, right? So MNE of services of laying of the MNE, okay, it can be inside or not. So this is, you can see that the installation of MNE is similar, but already you can see that this is already they come up with the hole, right? For the toilet, they have the down pipe, they have a waste pipe, so it's already hole there, and this need to be something like care, taking care, because if not, the leakage will come up with the problem with the leakage. Right, flexibility of precast system with can be a fixing of MNE into a precast element, right? So you can have, this is the beauty of also the precast IBS precast system. Okay, flexibility matching with the cast in situ. This is what we have discussed before on the what you call it, matching the precast and also the precast system with the cast in situ. So it depends on the requirement that has been set. Okay, and then this is just to show you the, when we have that in cast in situ, that we need to have what you call it, the concreting, the BRC, do the process, the normal process for the concrete. Right, and then we come up with the panel installation. Similar goes to the when we have column just now, right? So need to be a proper prop, right? Perlu ditahan, right? To make sure the level of the what we call it, the wall, okay. Precast. This is installation of precast wall panel system. So you can see that so no beams, no column, no beams involved. But this is a precast wall panel system. It's a load bearing. So then the what you call it, the roof trusses will be just installed or placed on top of this what I call it, wall. Right, so because this is a load bearing wall, so and it come up with the opening. All right, so one of the issue, one of the problem that having when you have this wall panel system like this, you cannot renovate your house. Okay, you cannot renovate your house. If you want to extend, it must be not inside the house. It's not mostly outside. You cannot within. You cannot just let's say you want to remove the wall just to make it open from kitchen to a family area. No, you cannot do that for this precast wall panel system. If the wall panel is what I call it, is it is a load bearing wall. That's the disadvantages of this system. Okay, then you come up with the installation of precast frame, right? You come up with the staircase. So you're ready with the staircase, and again, what I did mention and remind that the verticality checking is very important, right? So because the what you call it, the system is there, the precast is already there. So you just need to make sure that the line is correct. Okay. So kalau tak, nanti jadi bangunan tu sengit dah. Okay. Bandingan itu jadi sengit, tidak straight line. So that's happened when we don't have that. Okay. Installation precast, which is, this is what we have, a hidden corbel, right? So this is look nice compared when you have a cobalt, right? So you just installation like this. So and this when we have a cobalt, right? So you can see that the cobalt, right? So I don't know. It depends. For me, as long as the structure is safe, as an engineer, can. So as long as the structure is safe for me, I don't have any problem with the cobalt or hidden cobalt. But it might be for an architect, so they feel that, oh, tak cantiknya, can something like that. So but it depends on the design. All right. So this is just to you a few photo on the installation of the precast concrete structure. Right. So we can come out with the you can see that this is a circular, kan bulat. Right. So it will be a satu ruang bulat that all the beams, all right, has been made it to and just bring it to site and install that. So it's a curved beam. Okay, so you can see the curved beam. So it can be done, right? It can be done. And this is using the definitely the precast formwork need to be cast and design and follow the requirement. Right? So very nice. Precast frame system. So so this is a few example of the IBS building in Kuala Lumpur. So we have flat. This is just normal. So if you refer to this flat, definitely it's just a normal flat, straight cut, nothing interesting, right? So yes, but it's not all the precast come up with the output like that. Definitely we know that the flat, the low cost apartment, even though you use the conventional method, but the design will be like dull. The design will be like that because it's the low cost houses. But when you go to the high the what I call it, the high condominiums, something like that, so you come up with the different design. Okay, so convention center, KL Tower, KL Central, LRT station. So now we are using the precast system, right? So also the KLCC, right? So this combination, right? Cast in situ and also precast and steel. So, but there are the huge amount of hybrid system that has been used for the construction of the Petronas. Okay, KLIA airport, all right, using the precast, also the we call it as hybrid. Okay, this is another gallery in somewhere in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. So they come up with the timber, right, combination timber, steel, right? So you come up with a very nice design of the building. Okay, Menara KL. So if you go further, right, so it can be Empire State Building, all right, in US. So there's a steel frame. So you're using the steel frame, okay, come up with the steel structure. Eiffel Tower, for those who have been in Paris. So Eiffel Tower is one of the, actually it's a early development of what you call it, the steel frame. Okay, they're using the cast iron. Right, so very nice Eiffel Tower. See, right. So it's me. This is in London. I haven't. I've been in London, but I haven't seen this building. So hopefully that I can see this building one time or one day. Right. So this is in London. It's steel frame. Very nice building. So Burj Khalifa, Dubai. I've never been in Dubai. All right. So this is also it's a steel frame that you can utilize the materials. All right, the building material into the IBS, and definitely it will speed up the process of construction. Right. Okay. In Beijing, Bird Nest, very nice building.